0.875 divided by 0.001. 0.1, 0.01, 0.001, these are called power of 10, but less than 1. 10, 100,000, these are power of called less than 1. 0.875 divided by 0.001 means you are multiplying this decimal by by 10 over 1, that is reciprocal of this, by 1000 over 1, by reciprocal of this fraction. So to what will you do to divide this by this? Just count the number of place, 3 place. So decimal point will move from left to right 3 place here. So you are getting this 0.875 decimal. This 0 don't have any value since decimal at the end, so you can omit here. So 875 is your answer. Actually, look here, you are, instead of this you can write 1 over 1000. So now division means multiplication by the opposite. Just change the numerator and denominator. So you can rewrite this as like this. So multiplication means repeated addition, that is you are adding 0.875 1000 times. And since this has 3 zeros, so decimal point will move 3 digit here. So you are getting 875, and this is the result.